I'm Casey, glad to see you. Welcome to follow our camera lens to visit our outdoor lighting workshop. You can see our workers are assembling the floodlight. This model is quite popular in the market. It adopts the lamp design. We have different series such as BLB, reflective cap, and COB. Our worker is testing the lights to test the light whether light up or not. We can make the OEM and ODM design. You can put the logo, power, wattage, lumen here. Different with traditional way. We use the fill machine to package the product with fill to make sure the product will not be damaged and it will be safe. Okay, if you are interested in our product and want to know more details, welcome to contact our salesperson. Thank you. See you.